Welcome to Hello Baltimore County. Helping our aging relatives has its challenges, but what happens when a vulnerable adult does not have close family or friends who can take on a caregiver role? Sonia Johnson from the Baltimore County Department of Social Services is here to tell us about the county's Project Home and Adult Services programs. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
So tell us a little bit about Project Home, and it's basically adult foster care, I understand?
Yes. So Adult Foster Care and Project Home, it's a housing program where we assist clients ages 18 and older with supportive housing.
Okay, so you say 18 and older. I said elderly people, but it can be people who, for different reasons, are not in a position to take care of themselves?
Right.
Okay, like what?
Let's say that they have a mental disability or a physical disability, and they aren't able to maintain themselves on their own in the community. So we have Project Home and Adult Foster Care, which is a supportive housing that we are able to assist them. And it might not even be forever, but just until they get back on their feet at times.
Okay, so is it a home with other individuals in their same circumstances, or are they placed with a family? How does it work?
They are placed with a family. There could be other people there that are in similar situations as them, but they might be in a home where it's just them and the family.
Okay, and what type of care, in addition to housing, does this program provide?
Again, we offer supportive services. So we have clients who might need assistance with getting back and forth to their doctor's appointments. We are there to help them with that. And because we are a family model, it is for the care providers to assist them with that. We also have a nursing component where our care providers are trained in the art of cueing and coaching. And with that, we are training the clients on what their medication is and why they're taking it, and we encourage them to take their medication as prescribed. We also assist them with budgeting. A lot of them work, so we assist them with that as well. And so those are a couple other things that we help with.
So who is eligible both to be a client, but also to be someone who provides a home to someone who needs it?
Clients ages 18 and older. They may have a physical ailment, they may have a mental issue or an intellectual disability. They are open to apply for our programs, Adult Foster Care and Project Home. And then to be a care provider, you have to live in Baltimore County, as well as for the clients, I did want to add that you have to live in Baltimore County. For the care providers, they have to live in Baltimore County. They have to have an existing income. They have to go through background checks to ensure that they don't have any adult protective services cases or child protective services cases or any criminal background. They have to have the space, of course, and those are the things that they would need to have.
So it sounds like it's very similar to becoming a foster care family for a child.
Yes, it is similar, but it's also different.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. And how does the financial side work? If I bring an adult into my home that carries costs, groceries, et cetera, how does it work on the financial side?
So with the financial piece, there is an assessment that is done on our clients, and based on where they range, the stipend that the care provider receives is a range as well. So the cap is $1,376, $1,376 is the max amount, but again, it is based on an assessment and the level of care that the client would need.
Okay, so it's a very interesting model. How is it working out both for the clients and the families?
So far, so good, because we accept clients that can be maintained in a family setting. So it's someone who wants to be in a family. They may come from a large family, but due to age, everyone is gone, and they want to keep at that. So far, so good.
Okay. And how can somebody find out more information?
They can go to our website at www.baltimorecountymd.gov/Project Home, or they can also give us a call at 410-853-3511.
Okay. Well, Project Home, it certainly has a very nice ring to it.
Thank you.
All right. And thank you so much for joining us to share this information.
You're welcome. Thank you again for having me.
Sure. And thank you for watching Hello Baltimore County. We encourage you to connect with Baltimore County government on all of our social media platforms.